It's 2:30 on the 25th of February. This is the first time the clock's run ever under its own steam. It's got a single temporary weight on a single drop, so it's getting the same power as two weights of the same size of the double drop each. This is plenty to keep it going for now. All I want to do, in theory, this should run it for about 10 or 12 days with the length of drop weight I've got on it. It seems to be escaping fairly well and a nice even beat. I had a few problems this last hour. It's the first time I've had to get it to beat properly, but it's alright now. I've oiled the clock, I've oiled the pallets, and I'm now going to let it run until probably next weekend, if it'll run that long. Hopefully. Seems to be running rather nicely. I don't know if I can get how close I can get, and you can see the pallets there working away. There's the temporary weight hung. Normally that would be round the pulley and back to the clock again, which would give you double the time for the same drop. It's not time I'm after today. It means using a single drop I can use one weight and get the same power as two, as I mentioned earlier, and just half the time. Well, it's a 30-day movement, so I should get at least 2 weeks out of it, all being well. Assuming it'll run that long. It's now been running about a quarter of an hour. Not seen any hiccups at all. So I shall now start looking at the motion work for the minute hand, so that the next time I strip it I can fit that, and that will give me whoopsie-daisy, that will give me an idea how we're doing for time. I've just timed it over 5 minutes counting seconds. It's running half a second fast over 5 minutes, but I'm not going to worry about that. I've got plenty of adjustment on the on the pendulum, so I need to shorten it a little bit, but I shan't actually do that until I've got the motion work fitted and the second hand fitted, and then I can set it up really well. But at the moment it seems to be running rather well. I'm very pleased with that. It's actually taken about 4, maybe 6 hours altogether to set it up. I've had it running by putting my weight on the third wheel with my finger for about 10 minutes a few days ago, but I had a few mods to make to 1 or 2 parts as part of the motion work, so that I could leave it to run for a while without bother, and now I think it should run quite nicely until I decide to stop it and do some more work on it, fitting the motion work for the hour and minute hand. As you can see at the moment, it's got no minute hand shaft fitted, spindle I should say. It's just got a temporary piece of spindle in, just so the clock will run. I'll discard that when I fit the proper hour and minute hand spindle. But there you go. I'm very pleased with that. If it's possible to hear the tick. I know it's out of focus. I've only gone near so that I could try and hear it and put it on the video. That's 5 minutes video of the clock actually running. That's it.